Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix your Pinterest or that problem you have on your Pinterest on your settings. You will just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window and you just go down, you will click here on apps and you come to apps window and you just go down here to looking for Pinterest app here and this is window. We'll just go in and we will find it. We will click here on Pinterest, then we come to next window here like you say and you will click here on for stop and you click here on OK. Then you click here on storage, then you come to storage window, you just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So that's all, you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. That's all what you have to do and it's going to so works with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video.